welcome to Newton Gate Academy. How are you all, champs? I hope you all are very fine. Hi, this is Arshi and we will have a class today on parts of speech. So, let's begin. Now the first thing is, what are parts of speech? How many parts of speech are there? Actually, there are 8 kinds of parts of speech. They are noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, conjunction, preposition and interjection. So, whenever you will write any sentence, these 8 parts of speech are very much important. If you don't use these 8 parts of speech, your sentence will be incomplete. You can't write a sentence properly without using these parts of speech. So dear, you have to use these 8 parts of speech whenever you will write any sentence. Now, in the next part is that why we use parts of speech in a sentence. From this poem, you will get to know about everything, that why and how we can use parts of speech in a sentence. So, let's see this poem. Every name is called a noun, as field and fountain, street and town. In place of noun, the pronoun stands, as he and she can clap their hands. The adjective describes a thing, as magic wand or bridal ring. The verb means action, something done, as read and write and jump and run. How things are done, the adverbs tell, as quickly, slowly, badly, well. The preposition shows relation, as in the street or at the station. Conjunctions join in many ways. Sentences, words or phrase and phrase. The interjection cries out, hark, I need an exclamation mark. So, it's very funny and very interesting poem, right? I hope you all understood from this part only that why and how we can use parts of speech in a sentence. But let's see the definitions and examples also, that why we use this. See, what is noun? A noun is a person, place, animal or a thing. Like any naming word is called noun. Girl, boy, school, dog, book, everything is a part of noun. What is pronoun? This is also very important. Instead of noun, we can use pronoun. We can replace his noun and use pronoun. Like she or her, them or they. As example, we can say, Rita is very beautiful. Instead of Rita, I can use pronoun. I can say that she is very beautiful. Like that, we can use all these parts of speech. See, definitions are also very important. You have to know about definition. Otherwise, you can't place these parts of speech in a proper manner. Now, verb. What is verb? Actually, verb is an action word. Like sit, laugh, run, jump. She is sitting on the couch. What she is doing? She is sitting. So, sitting is an action word. This is a part of verb. What is adverb? An adverb describes a verb, an adjective or another adverb. See, as example it is written, the boy plays the drums loudly. Now if I ask you a question that how a boy plays the drums, you will tell me the answer that ma'am, the boy plays the drums loudly, right? That will be your answer. See, what is adjective? An adjective gives more information about a noun or pronoun by answering one question. See, what kind, which one, how many. If anyone says you, how many bags you have, you can tell that I have 3 bags with me. So, this is a part of adjective. Now, what is conjunction? It is very easy. Conjunction join 2 or more words. As example, I went to the store to buy eggs, milk and bread. So you have used and in this sentence, and by using what you did, you joined 3 words together, eggs, milk and bread. So this is a part of conjunction, joining words. If you join 2 words or 2 phrases, then you have to use conjunction. So, in the next part, we can see preposition. What is preposition? Preposition are the words that indicate location or relation to an object. Prepositions are found before a noun or pronoun. Now, how you can understand what is preposition, how we can use it? See, here is the example. The puppy is on the floor. So, which one is preposition? On. Where is puppy? The puppy is on the floor. See how easy it is. And the last one is interjection. It is very important. Why? See. Interjections are words used to express some sudden feeling or emotion. If you want to express your feeling, then you have to use interjection. See, here it is written, hooray! I have passed the exam. Wow, that's really great news. So you are expressing your happy moment. For that reason, you are using this interjection. So, I hope you all understood very well about parts of speech. Now, I have given you one example and exercise. You have to complete this exercise, and in my next video, you will ask me about this. You have to write this, okay? And then in the chat section, you can ask me the question. So please complete this work. I hope you all enjoy this, and in my next video, I will come with another more interesting videos. So dear, if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share our channel. Thank you. Be happy and safe. Bye.